It's your Chief Fatman Senatiraja here to talk to you about the Bonanza with a Bang 2011, crossing over to 2012. Now, as you know, every year, the whole network, the whole V family around the world looks forward to the year-end promo, which we simply call the Bonanza. Now, the reason why QNet gives us this promo is simply, I would say, a reward, a simple way of saying thank you, all right, for what you have done the whole year, and the end of the year, we give you something extra. Now, the Bonanza is called a promo, and a lot of people don't understand what a promo means. A promo doesn't mean it's something permanent, all right? It doesn't mean it's part of the QNet system. It is not. It's a promotion. It's there for a certain period of time, all right? And for this Bonanza, the promo starts on 29 October 2011 all the way to 27th January 2012. That's 3 months, guys. 3 months for you to maximize your income, earn more, and build a sustainable network. Now, bottom line, whenever we talk about the Bonanza, people think you're supposed to do something extra to be rewarded. So let me make it very clear to all of you. The Bonanza period, you're going to do what you normally do. You're going to bring in direct referrals. You're going to help them get activated. Things that you're supposed to do anyway, all right, in your QNet business. All right, and your upline should be training you to do it naturally every single day. Now, but during the Bonanza with the Bang period, all right, you simply get paid extra money. You simply get paid extra money for doing exactly what you're supposed to do in QNet, in the world of network marketing. Now, let me show you how you're going to make money from the Bonanza. All right. Now, firstly, remember these words, which is simply Bonanza with a Bang. Now, why? It's exciting, it's rock and rolling, but the key word here is Bonanza. Now, I'm going to take you through one simple scenario, okay? Every networker should come in, all right, okay? Refer, this is you, okay? You have a left, you have a right. If you don't know this, you are in more trouble than I think you are, all right, okay? And you come in and you start talking to people, you refer one person here, let's say Fatman Senatiraja, and you refer here, let's say Arun George. Now, these two people are simply called your direct referrals, all right? That means you directly referred the person. Now, if Fatman Senatiraja refers Sati Senatiraja and Arun refers Adli, okay? Now, what happens is, this is Fatman's direct and this is Arun's direct, okay? Now, the goal in networking is for you to get activated. You know what activation means? This is me. When I get a direct on the left and a direct on the right, this scenario alone means I am activated. Now, you need to understand this, right? So now Fatman is not activated because he only has Sati on the left and nobody on the right. Arun has somebody on the right, nobody on the left. So the minute Fatman brings, all right, let Datuk be my downline this time, Datuk Vijay Ishwaran, all right, and Arun brings Joseph Bismarck, all right. Now, Fatman is activated, okay, all right, and here Arun is also activated. Now, you need to understand these mechanisms. You need to understand the terminology used. Right? The people you refer directly are called your direct referrals, and when you get a direct referral on your left and right, you're considered activated. Two terms you have to use. Now, let's say Fatman or you, all right, decide to get another direct, okay, and you bring in Ranjit Singh. Okay, now obviously you already have Fatman and Arun here. So what do? You have to place Ranjit Singh somewhere here. All right, Ranjit Singh is under Sati, for example. But he's still considered your direct. It's yours. All right? So this is still your direct, but you placed it somewhere down below somebody. So understand this first. What is direct referral? Somebody you directly refer into the business. That means in the column direct referral is your name. All right? What is activated means when you get one on the left, one on the right, you refer new people, you get activated. Simple. All right? Now, during the Bonanza, all right, you have joined QNet, let's say in 2009. Okay? You purchase a product and you have become qualified. Okay? Simple as that. This is your tracking center, left, right? You bought a product which gave you one CUV and one QUV. Commissionable unit volume and qualified unit volume, okay? You need to always have QUV, commissionable UV here is 1. It can be 0.5. But during the bonanza period, even if you qualified in 2009, so if you qualified in 2009 with a product purchase which gave you your account, which is left and right, all right, and you bought a product which is one CUV, one QUV, simple to understand. However, to qualify for the bonanza, all right, this bonanza 2011, between the period of 29th of October to 27th of January, okay, this is 2011, this is 2012, next year. During this period, you need to qualify again. And the only way to qualify is to buy a minimum of a product which gives you one CUV and one QUV. Very important for you to remember this. If you purchase a product which is 1 QUV but 0.5 CUV, you still don't qualify for the bonanza. So guys, wherever you are in the world, go to the e-store right now. You want to be part of this bonanza, look for a product to buy. We have watches, we have wellness products, we have Biodis 2, we have Chi Pendant, we have QVI, we have Invoice, we have so many products, all right, that you can buy from, jewelry, whatever you want to buy. So the beauty about the bonanza IC is that when you started with QNet, you bought one product, and most probably the majority of you there look on the e-store and say, wow, nice products. But your mentality, your attitude doesn't make you buy anything else because the system doesn't require you to buy. And why I love the bonanza, it's a great reason for you to shop with QNet. All right? So when you purchase your product to qualify for the bonanza, go shopping, guys. Amazing watches, amazing jewelry. All right? Buy a QVI package. Okay? Buy another Biodis, even for your mother-in-law. All right? But the point is, you can shop. Okay, and you need to qualify, remember, minimum 1 CUV, 1 QUV. If you want to qualify with 3 CUV, all right, and 1 QUV, no problem, up to you. But the minimum is 1 CUV, 1 QUV product. This is fundamentally important for you to remember. So you don't work hard and then realize you forgot to qualify. All right, so how do you qualify for the bonanza? Personally, or you sell, up to you. You can either retail, all right, or purchase. Okay, now most of you are going to purchase. You need to buy another product. Okay, 1 CUV, 1 QUV. Now, here's how the bonanza works. Okay, the bonanza rewards you, all right, for certain actions. First, the bonanza rewards you when you qualify, which I explained to you. Must be a 1 CUV, 1 QUV minimum product. Secondly, the bonanza rewards you for every direct referral you make. All right? Third, the bonanza rewards you when your direct activates his tracking center or account. All right? Like I explained earlier what activate means. Okay? And the bonanza also rewards you, okay, for purchase of any products which are all right, QUV. Simply means we have a lot of consumables, repeat purchase products, small, BioSilver gel, Nutri-Sky, okay, Olay, right, various products available all over the world, but different country, different products. Even then you get rewarded. Okay, simply put, now remember the dates, 29th October to 27th January next year. All right, okay, now, when you qualify, you get 10 points. Now, here's the confusion. What's 10 points, Chief? Because last few bonanzas, there was no points. There was only shares, 1 share, 2 share, 3 shares. All right, so immediately when this bonanza starts, everyone is going to be confused. Now, I'm here, all right, to clarify. Don't panic when you see something different. Right? Never panic. Try to understand it. I'm going to explain it clearly to you. Why we started with points? Because we want to make this bonanza a bit more flexible. All right? We want to make this bonanza a bit more flexible so more people can qualify and earn money. So simply put, this bonanza 2011 every point you make, right, at the end of the bonanza, right, will be translated to US dollars, or simply put, money. So instead of fixing it at a dollar value, we let you accumulate as much points as you want, and you get paid in US dollars. Your points convert to dollars. Your points convert to dollars. Your points convert to dollars. Alright? Memorize that. So don't panic. Only 10 points, only 30 points, only 40 points. Why points is confusing? It's not confusing. Alright? As usual, you guys like to complicate everything. My job is to simplify it. Whatever points you accumulate, you get paid in US dollars. Alright? And it's unlimited points and unlimited US dollars. Now this is a very important for you to understand. That means this Bonanza 2011, there is no limitation to how much extra money can you make. There is no limit. The sky is not even the limit. That means you can make as many points as you want from this date to this date, alright, and make as much money as you want following the rules, alright, and parameters of the Bonanza. Okay? So now remember, points equals money. Points equal money. So first, when you qualify, you get 10 points. Simple. Alright? When you make a direct referral, you get 10 points. Okay? When your directs, as many directs as you want, you refer 100 directs during this Bonanza period, unbelievable. Alright? I want to know who you are. Because you just qualified in my book as one of the greatest networkers I know. No limit. Right? People like to limit themselves in this business. This Bonanza period, be limitless. Alright? Bottom line, you can refer as many directs as you want, and for every direct you refer, you get 10 points. Now you have 5 directs, 6 directs, 10 directs, 20 directs, unbelievable. Now for every direct, alright, who activates himself or herself, you get 20 points. Simple. You qualify with 1 CUE, 1 QUE minimum, 10 points. Every direct you get 10 points. That means if you get 5 directs, you get 50 points. You get 10 directs, you get 100 points. Right? Now you know rule 3. Okay? During the Bonanza period, rule 3 is like every day. Alright, it's not only for the month. 15 presentations, get 3 sign-ups, 4 sign-ups, 5 sign-ups. Remember, every direct you get 10 points. And later, in a few minutes, you will know how much money you're going to make with how much points you get. Okay? Alright? Now, when your directs come in, what is our job? Act 48. Alright? You must, in networking, not only during Bonanza, sign up a direct referral and push them, inspire them, motivate them to activate as soon as possible. Because only when you're activated, you start your journey as a networker. Just by buying the product and staying at home and singing Kumbaya, you're not going to make any money. You need to start by activation. How fast should somebody activate your direct referrals? My rule, anything more than 48 hours, you're a moron. Alright, do it sooner, faster. Okay, so every direct of yours who activates, you get 20 points. Every direct, 10 points. When you qualify, 10 points. Direct activated means your direct referral is activated. Now the advantage of this is for those of you who go out there and push 3 UE products, alright, 3 CUE products. That means if you refer a direct referral who buys a 3 CUE product, alright, that means immediately, alright, he becomes activated. Okay? Now this is the beauty of it. We call it a 3-header. So if you have anyone, your direct referral who buys a 3-header or 3 CUE product, that direct referral is automatically activated. Now what's the advantage of it? The advantage of it is this is you, alright, you have a left, you have a right. Okay, you bought a 1 CUE product, okay, and a qualified 1 CUE product. You refer your brother who immediately buys a 3 CUE product. Alright, all him, your brother, and your mother-in-law, believe it or not, who also buys, alright, mother-in-law, 3 CUE products. Now in this scenario, alright, you already got 10 points for your own qualification product. You got 10 points from your brother and mother-in-law for their being your direct referrals, and automatically you get 20 points and 20 points because they are considered activated, and immediately you get 70 points. So now is the time to push the 3 COE products, to push the 3-header mentality in your network, because you qualify for bigger points faster. I believe this is simple enough for you to understand. Right? Bottom line, you are now being rewarded with points. Be patient, I'll tell you how much money you're going to make. Alright? With points, you're being rewarded for all your actions. What are your actions? Qualify, sign up directs, help them to get activated. What does this constitute? The same thing I've been telling you for the past 13 years. Sign up. Okay? Straight away, sign up other people, which are your direct referrals. Help all your directs get activated as soon as possible. Rule 3, Act 48. Rule 3, Act 48. So now, I'm so happy when I saw this bonanza with the bank, when J.R. Meyer showed it to me and we shared, we exchanged ideas, we created this concept, because this reaffirms Rule 3 and Act 48. Show as many plans as you can, alright, and activate people within 48 hours. And if you follow those rules, alright, to a level of seriousness during this period, 29 October 2011, 27 January 2012, you're going to earn more money in the next 30 days, 60 days, 90 days than you ever had. Okay, let me show you the money. QNet has created 2 levels of income. First, when you earn 50 points, okay, when you total 50 points, QNet pays you in points converted to US dollars, alright, 150 US dollars. And when you have 100 points, alright, okay, you basically get 500 US dollars. Very simple. As I mentioned, these are the 2 magic numbers you have to understand. When you get 50 points, the bonanza pays you 150 US dollars. When you accumulate 100 points, you get 500 US dollars. And this clearly explains how you get the points. But now don't say, why so little, why so this, why so that. Logic, guys. This is not your commission. This is bonus of your commission. That means the whole time the bonanza is going on, no matter what you do, you still get paid 33250. This is there. This is extra. This is extra to your existing income. Alright? So if you do these actions of qualifying, direct referral, activate, alright, you get extra from your commission. So one example I want to show you, if you watch this, this is you. You have left and right. You qualified your account. Once again, for the bonanza, 1 CUV, 1 QUV, simple, you all understand that. You get 2 directs, alright, A and B, okay, and your directs simply activate, alright, C, D, E, F. Now this is only one scenario I want to show you, okay. I'm not going to treat you like children. Learn fast, duplicate, okay. Now you qualified, you get 10 points. Okay, simple. You brought in A as your direct referral and B as your direct referral. 10 points, 10 points. Alright? So another 10 points for A direct referral, another 10 points for B direct referral. Now A has 2 direct referrals, B has 2 direct referrals. This means what? A is activated, alright, and B is also activated, alright, and if your direct gets activated, you get 20 points each. That means you get another 20 points because your direct referral A is activated, and you get another 20 points because your direct referral B is activated. Simple. So what's your total points? My mathematics not very good, so follow me, okay? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 plus 20, 10, you get 70 points. When you get 70 points, you already qualify, all right, for your first payout of 50 points. Simple. Logic. All right. Now comes the great news. All right. The great news is QNet from 29 October till 27 January is doing the bonanza. All right. Okay. However, to motivate, all right, to pump up, okay, the network, we are doing something called the early bird. Everywhere in the world I go, people ask me, why on earth do you call it the early bird? Because there's a saying in English many years ago that the early bird gets the worm. Obviously, it's not a vegetarian bird, but the early bird gets the worm simply means, guys, Central Asia, Middle East, Africa, Asia, Europe, wherever you are, the earlier you do things, the bigger the reward. Simple logic. Okay, that's why we call it the early bird period. Now, 29 October to 27 January is, all right, the bonanza period. Okay. However, now from 29 October to, all right, 23rd December, okay, is the early bird promo. So instead of up to 27 January, if you finish whatever behavior which gives you points, up to 23rd December is the early bird cutoff. All right. 50 points bonanza, regular date, you get $150. Extra bonus. 100 points, $500. Unbelievable, extra bonus. But if you qualify before the 23rd of December, couple of days before Christmas, we will give you extra $50 here and extra $100 here. This is the early bird. So 23rd December is a magical date where you want to push your points, okay, as much as you can to get the extra $50 for 50 points and an unbelievable extra $100 for 100 points. You get 50 points, normally you get 150, do it before 23rd December, you make $200 plus 150 plus 50. If you get 100 points, all right, you get $500 during normal bonanza, but because of the early bird promo, if you do it from 29 October, 23rd December, you get another $100, making the total an unbelievable $600. All right. Now, okay, this was the original. 29 October, 27 January, 29 October to 23rd December, a special period called early bird. Now I'm ready to give you the greatest surprise. If you're watching this video right now, wherever you are, okay, whether you're in Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, anywhere in the Middle East, from Dubai to Saudi to Lebanon to Jordan, I'm shouting out to all your countries, okay? Whether you're in Africa, Uganda, Kenya, okay, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, all right, India, Sri Lanka, even Pakistan, a brand new market we opened, the whole world, Indonesia, Malaysia, Portugal, Brazil, London, I've got a gift for you. From J.R. Meyer, QNet, and the V, all right, we are proud to present you a super duper mega period of time, all right, basically called the early bird booster. Okay, not only are you going to be the early bird, you're going to be a super early bird and you get paid more money. Now, this is how it works, okay? All right, I'm changing this date, 29 October. I'm changing 23rd December from the original date. There is an extra early bird called the 2nd of December. If you qualify for 50 points or 100 points and do your qualification directs and direct activated, all right, from 29 October to 2nd December. Remember, the first early bird is 23rd December. I'm adding an early bird and bringing it earlier to 2nd December. Guess what's going to happen? All right. Remember, normal bonanza, 150. Early bird, you do it by 23rd December, you get $50 extra. 100 points, 500, $100 extra by 23rd December. However, if you qualify for 50 points or 100 points or more 100 points, unlimited, by the 2nd of December 2011, we are going to add another $50 here and another $100 here. So if you get 100 points, guys. If you get 100 points before the 2nd of December 2011, you will make a total of 500 plus 100 plus 100, 700 US dollars extra bonus. Alright? If you do 50 points before 2nd December, you get 150 plus 50 plus 50, 250 US dollars if you qualify for the early bird booster. 2nd of December is the deadline. Now you are watching this video, maybe it's the 19th of November, alright, maybe it's the 20th of November. Don't sleep. Just go out there and network aggressively and qualify for a minimum of 50 points or 100 points or 200 points or 300 points or 400 points before the 2nd of December. For every 100 points, we pay you 500 plus 100 bonus plus 100 bonus, 700 US dollars. The most unbelievable bonanza I've ever seen QNet giving us. So when you see anyone from QNet, give them a big hug and say thank you. Alright? Now this is how the bonanza works. Alright? Simple. You qualify, you get your directs, you help your directs get activated. Alright? A 3-header auto activation for your direct. Okay? The point system is so simple. 10 points for qualifying with a 1 CUV, 1 QUV product. 10 points for your direct referral. Okay? And 20 points when your directs are activated by referring new people or buying 3 UV, 3 CUV products or retailing 3 CUV products. Now it's very important for you to understand the dates, okay? And I'm going to show you a simple graph, alright, to summarize, okay, the dates. Now, this is the most important part of the bonanza. You know how to make points, you know what qualifies you for points, all of that, okay? Now this is the timeline. This graph is going to be the most important graph you've ever seen, okay? So you got 29 October 2011. This is when the bonanza officially begins. Whatever that happens before 29 October 2011 is irrelevant, not counted. Alright? You bought your product before, everything not counted. However, if you just registered, very important, if you just registered before 29 October, but you purchase or retail your product after 29 October, that means the 1 CUV, 1 QUV, alright, you're still okay for the bonanza. Alright, registered before, qualified after, still accepted. But if you qualified before 29 October, it doesn't qualify you for the bonanza. You have to buy another great product from QNet, minimum 1 CUV, 1 QUV. Simple. Don't complicate it. Now, all your actions, okay, what are your actions? Qualify, get direct referrals, and help them activate. Okay, these are your 3 actions. Alright, what does this give you? 10 points, 10 points, 20 points. Okay, very simple. For every 50-point payout and 100-point payout. Okay, these are points. I just want you to understand, very simple. Okay, now the first bonanza dates are 29 October up to 27 January 2012. Don't confuse it. Alright, now what does it mean? Right, the original early bird was planned for here 23rd December 2011. First early bird. Okay, I put a star here so you remember. But when we realized that we were so excited about this bonanza, I wanted to give you something extra, we created another early bird here, alright, on a new date called the 2nd December 2011. I put a star here. So technically, for this bonanza, for the first time, we have 2 early birds. The early bird or early bird booster, 2nd December 2011. Next early bird, 23rd December 2011. And closing of bonanza, 27 January 2012. Simple. You need to understand the timeline. Now, the question a lot of people are asking, when do I get paid? When does my points get calculated? Your points will get calculated at 3 points. First here, next here, and finally at the closing. That means if you have 70 points between the 29 October till the 2nd December, very important, focus on this, alright? 70 points, 29 October, 2nd December, you got 70 points. You qualify for 50 points payout. You understand that? What is 50 points payout? Normal payout, 150 US dollars. Plus, you are before 23rd December. Congratulations, you get another 50 US dollar bonus. But, you are also before the early bird booster, 2nd December, you get another 50 US dollars. How much you get paid? 250 US dollars. You just got paid. But, how many points did we take? 50. So, 50 points paid out. How many points you have? 20 points balance. Okay? How much do you get paid? Because you qualified before 2nd December? Very simple. Alright? You qualified for 70 points. The basic payout for the bonanza is 150 US dollars for 50 points. Do you get it? Yes. But you did it before 23rd December. You get an extra $50. Alright? Because it's early bird. But you also did it before the early bird booster, before 2nd December, you get another $50. Alright? Making the total $250. But we only took 50 points from you. You have a balance of 20 points. So once you're qualified 2nd December, please don't go to sleep. You can still qualify unlimited. Alright? And you can take these 20 points, get another 30 points here by having one direct referral and helping them activate or buy a 3-header auto activation. Now you got total 50 points left. Total 20 from before, 30 new points, but you did it before 23rd December, but after 2nd December. So what do you get? You get 150 US dollars basic bonanza bonus, and you did it before 23rd December, but after 2nd December, this period here, you only get another 50 US dollars, so total $200. Alright, you lost that $50 extra because you didn't do it before 2nd December, you only qualified 70 points. Now let's say you are a rock and rolling networker, you are like me, you are like Dato Vijay, alright, Ranjit, Donna, TG, Kuna, Sati, Arun, Adli, alright, Japadas, okay, the V partners who are aggressive pumped up networkers, and you get 130 points before 2nd December. Alright, you are unbelievably switched on, you get 130 points before 2nd December. What do you qualify? First, you get the basic bonanza commission bonus, 500 US dollars. But you did it before 23rd December. You get another 100 US dollars. But you also did it unbelievable before 2nd December. You get another 100 US dollars, making the total 700 US dollars extra commission bonus on top of your 33250 normal payout in QNet. Right? How much you got payout? 100 points. But you got 130 points. So the balance is 30 points. Alright? And let's say now, for before 23rd of December, you went out there, you rock and roll, you promoted the business, you get another 70 points from direct referrals and activating them. What's your total? 30 points from before 2nd December, 70 points between 2nd December and 23rd December. Total becomes how much? 100 points. 100 points qualifies you for 500 US dollars basic bonanza bonus. Plus, you did it before 23rd December, but after 2nd December, you get another $100, giving you 600 US dollars at this point. Alright, your payout. Now you may have 0 points, but you still have 23rd of December until 27th of January to get any number of points you want, unlimited, and you get paid the basic payout of 150 for 50 points and 100 for 500 points. Now let's say you get 40 points, alright, and you go one more day, okay, and you get 10 points. 50 pays you $150. So from 23rd of December until 27th January, the whole stretch, which is more than a month, you can gather as much points as you want. Alright? If you don't reach 100, we pay you 50. You reach 100, we pay you 100. Simple as that. 150 for 50, 500 for 100 points. Now I hope this clarifies the timeline you require, okay, for your Bonanza with a bang, and the early bird and the early bird booster. Okay, now it's very important for you to stay focused, to maximize your networking activity. Go crazy, guys. Don't sleep. Sleep gets in the way. Don't be distracted. Alright? No need to watch a movie. Nothing. Become networking machines. Go out there and show the plan to anyone and anyone. Anyone and everyone. Get your directs. Help them get activated. Alright? Or push everyone to get a 3 CUE product. Okay? So you auto-activate them. Make sure you maximize your points before 2nd of December, because the payout bonus is unbelievable. If you miss that date, which I hope you don't, your next chance is 23rd of December. Pump it. Pump it really aggressively, alright? And make sure you get as many points before 23rd December. And if you miss that deadline, don't worry. You still get any amount of points you accumulate. Up to $50, $150, you hit 100, you get $500 US extra. In my opinion, as your upline and chief, this Bonanza with the Bang 2011, crossing over to 2012, is the greatest opportunity for you to earn extra money end of the year. To make sure you earn enough money to achieve those dreams you plan at the beginning of the year. To make sure you earn enough money, alright, so that you get closer to financial freedom. What is the Bonanza? QNet is giving you extra money to do what you're already doing as a networker. But don't waste time. Don't wait for last minute. Alright, do it immediately. Take advantage of the 2nd December early bird booster and take advantage of the 23rd December early bird promo from the Bonanza. So as the we, I'm telling you, take advantage of this Bonanza. Don't waste time. Alright, from 29 October to 27 January, live a different life, live a different intensity. It's all about results, it's all about going out there and being a networker. I wish you all the best in the Bonanza with the Bang, alright, with the early bird and the early bird booster. Unbelievable.